Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us. In this video, we will discuss the term Gothic novel. Introduction. The term Gothic originally referred to the Goths, an early Germanic tribe, and later came to signify medieval in the context of architecture. However, the term took a new meaning in literature with the emergence of the Gothic novel, a genre inaugurated by Horace Walpole's The Castle of Otranto, a Gothic story, in 1764. This video traces the evolution of the Gothic novel from its early beginnings to its extension into contemporary horror fiction. It explores how the genre's themes of terror, mystery, and the supernatural have captured the imagination of readers across centuries. Characteristics of the Gothic novel. The Gothic novel was characterized by its setting in the medieval period or in Catholic countries like Italy or Spain, often featuring gloomy castles with dungeons, subterranean passages, and sliding panels. The stories revolved around innocent heroines suffering at the hands of cruel and lustful villains, and they made abundant use of ghosts, mysterious disappearances, and other supernatural elements to evoke chilling terror. Some classic examples of the Gothic novel include William Beckford's Gothic, Anne Radcliffe's The Mysteries of Udolpho, and Matthew Gregory Lewis's The Monk. Evolution of the Gothic genre. Over time, the term Gothic extended beyond its medieval origins to encompass works that developed a brooding atmosphere of gloom and terror, delving into uncanny or macabre events and aberrant psychological states. This extended sense of the Gothic has been applied to works like William Godwin's Caleb Williams, Mary Shelley's Frankenstein, and the Tales of Terror by German writer E.T.A. Hoffmann. Even later works like Emily Bronte's Wuthering Heights, Charlotte Bronte's Jane Eyre, and Charles Dickens's Bleak House demonstrated Gothic elements. Feminist perspective on Gothic fiction. Critics have explored the feminist perspective of Gothic fiction, suggesting that its features were a response to the suppression of female sexuality and a challenge to the male-dominated culture's gender hierarchy and values. Works like Sandra Gilbert and Suzanne Gubar's The Mad Woman in the Attic and Julianne E. Fleener's The Female Gothic delve into this aspect of the genre. American influence of the Gothic. The influence of the Gothic novel also extended to America, particularly Southern America, producing works by writers like Charles Brogden Brown and Edgar Allan Poe. The nightmarish realm of terror and cruelty continued to be explored in novels like Daphne du Maurier's Rebecca and Iris Murdoch's The Unicorn. Furthermore, the genre found a new life in horror fiction with writers like H.P. Lovecraft and Stephen King, as well as in horror movies by various directors. Conclusion. In conclusion, we can say that Gothic novel has a lasting impact on literature and popular culture, exploring its ability to captivate readers with its themes of terror, the supernatural, and the dark corners of the human psyche. The diverse range of works and interpretations within the genre has made it significant and enduring part of literary history. So this was the term, the Gothic novel. If you have any doubts or questions, you can ask in the comments section. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you.